We just got to Kansas yesterday. We had a Lantern Fest here, and it's raining. We got rained out. We canceled this morning. We are now on our way to get a pallet jack. We don't have a pallet jack. I don't know what else to say. Sucks. This is the first rained out event that we've had. So what do people want to, like, when people make their YouTube channels, right? Like, I'd like it to be for me and my friends and my family, so when I grow up and get old, my family can see what I did, right?
Yeah.
But what do people want to hear? What do people want to know? I guess I haven't even thought about it.
I know we have a 20% off coupon on our main website.
20% off? We're gonna save $50. 5,500 pound capacity. 3 positions. That is how we like it in Kansas. Rain out our bits. We need a little lightning and a little thunder now. That's what we need. This is gonna do this all day. All day long. The forecast calls for a progressively worsening weekend. That's my view. Should probably slow down. You know, going from a truck to a Prius and then driving a truck again makes you feel like you want a truck. But I got a Prius.